Let's go to farmer's market. Good morning, beautiful. Got my best helper today. Time is it? 5:46. We better get going because it's running late. Excited? You still asleep? Alright, well, let's go. Welcome friends, this is Pedro here at San Isidore Homestead and Permaculture. This past several weeks we've been blessed with excellent sales at the farmers market. To give you a little bit of perspective, we have been selling this farmers market for 5 years. This is our 5th season there. And it's been a very rewarding experience in that we have been growing year after year. On average, we are doing about 100 sales every week. And at this market we sell produce along with chicken and pastured eggs, all of which we produce here at the farm. Farmers market is a lot of fun. I absolutely love interacting with our customers. It's something that I look forward to every week, and so everything is primarily focused on what we grow, how we grow it, and more importantly, how we present it. We put a great deal of emphasis and work into our market setup, how things are organized, how things are presented, and it pays off in the end as we have people who keep coming week after week to shop at our booth. Right now it's midsummer and this is the busiest time of the year. We have all of the summer crops in season, and so what happens is that people are motivated by these things and they come to the market and they come early. The first couple of hours the market goes from 8 till noon. They tend to be quite busy, and so typically we'll have one of our farm workers will come along and help us, and so one of us will be working on the checkout line. Another person will be restocking or packing salads or whatever it is that we need to be done, and that's how we keep the flow going. We keep restocking things as needed or as we have, and when we run our produce we start to consolidate things, take some of the tables down, and that is the stuff that I would like to present in this video. At beautiful Greene County Farmers Market in Stannisville, Virginia. Behind me is Sarah, who's setting up, and our spot is right here. This is a beautiful Saturday for a farmers market. Excited about that, and with the grace of God we will have a good day here. At least we'll have a lot of fun. Alright, so she's putting these salads in the bag. Good job, Anna. Now she's going to, let's see how she does this. She's going to put them on the scale. And now she is adding a little bit more. Very good. We like to be generous. And then it's going to add a little bit more. Good. And now we have a nice bag of salad, and here comes the magic thing now. She's folding it, twisting it, or going around, and now tying it up. I want to see that. And here we have one solid mix ready for the shelf. Very good, ma'am.
No, I'm not the only one. I've gotten better,
Good for you. Yeah, this is such a cool thing. It's so nice. We'll go out for a walk. Let's do a quick walk in the market and see what's... Susan has some nice cookies there. Hi, beautiful. Starting to run low on produce, so we start to consolidate things. Let's put this eggplant here with the other eggplant. We only have one zucchini. Let's put it here with the squash. This thing here. And now I'm gonna move this fennel down here and see if I can move it more. Hello. There's the sign here for fennel. Oh, time for a farmer's market breakfast. Hey, what's it that you had, Jack? Look good.
Chicken tacos.
Chicken tacos. And what's it that Anna bought for me?
The chicken bowl.
Okay. Well, let's see. It looks good. They're good. Really good. Wow. Oh, this has been a good morning. It's 10:30 and we are very low now on produce. That's a good thing. Chicken has been selling well. Tomatoes were almost out. We still have some peppers. A few cucumbers. Carrots are flying. We're out of salad mixes. Okay, we're gonna have to do a little rearranging here. Alright, it's 5 minutes to closing. We're almost out of here. Jackson is taking down all the signs. We'll call this a very successful, very good day. So we are blessed. And I thank you for joining us on this day at the market. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you come back. Till then, may God bless you.